Hey everyone, welcome back. Guess what we're doing today? Oh yeah. Acura MDX, changing out the cabin air filter. That's where we're going to get done today. Where is it located? Right behind the glove box. How about this? How about this? Go to the dealer. 80 bucks installed. Go and pick up your own part, which is right there. 20 bucks. Do it yourself in a couple of minutes. Open the glove box. Empty the glove box out. It's already emptied. All the junk's over there. On the MDXs, squeeze these two sides. There's little pin clips here. Squeeze it together, drop it down. Pretty simple, wasn't it? You want to get a closer look? It's right there. And it even tells you airflow down. Airflow is coming from the front of the vehicle at the base of the windshield through the filter into the heating system, the HVA system. The blower motor's down below. There's your cabin filter. There's your new one. There's your old one. Should I pull the camera nice and close for this one? Yeah, let's do that. Sure. Excuse the noise. Excuse the noise. There it is. Now it says right, you see the two arrows. Arrow flow down. There's a clip, pressure clip. There's a clip, pressure clip. Two clips together. Squeeze it together. Squeeze it together. Pull it out. Ooh, look at that. Little golden leaves. Those are free. Oh, there's a few. Oh, yeah, there's a few. Okay. There you go. Now this one's not. Oh, we even got buggies. Little buggies. Look at that. Oh, little buggies. Little buggies. Julian, I got some bugs. There's your veg here. There's some little cardboard here too. Anyway, we're going to change this out. How does this come out? This literally just pops out. See this? I'm doing this slow here. There you go. There's the filter. Put this back down there. There's the filter. We're going to pull this other one out of here. This is the old one. So the new one fits in this cage, this rack. Going to pop right inside there. Get your new cabin air filter. 100% guaranteed. Motomaster. Boy, I'm really taking a long time to do this $90 filter at the dealer. There's the new one. Now, you want to take a look on the filter. It says right there, airflow. Right, you see that? Airflow. There's the little arrow. Hopefully you can make that out. I think you can. Airflow down. Take this. Pop it inside. Did you see that? Straightforward, right? Take this. You know what I like to do though is I like to look inside there. There's the blower motor. Wee, right there. There's nothing inside. Don't feel nothing. Which is good. That means the filter's doing its job. Take this. Line it back up. Look at this. It's like sliding a little tray in. See that? Watch this. Click and click. Click there. Click there. That's it. Cabin filter replaced. 100%. Good job on you. Take your old one. Recycle the cardboard. 100%, ladies and gentlemen. That's all you need to do. You just saved yourself. How do I do this? 5 and 3 is 8. Like 80 bucks. Okay. 5 and 2 is 70 bucks for a $20 and a 5-minute install. Watch, like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up. Time to go.